Hi guys, this is Mark. This is another textbook spookily accurate entry within a couple of pips pre-planned. I shared this with members at first on the 16th, so that was at the weekend. So it was from here, from 250 pips away. I originally was going to take the trade just above the 200 EMA. There was big news out this week, and once again I am looking for, if this thing tanks, where's it probably going to run out of steam? And once again, I had multiple reasons. I always need multiple reasons. I had a trend line. I had 78.6 fib. I had the whole number just above. I got 55 just below. I put my stop just below the weekly or monthly 200 EMA down here, risking 60. Initial target 260. Just missed the blooming thing today, 20-30 pips. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move the stop on the balance, and I am going to take 80% of this trade off now. So if I go down to the 1 hour, I can see we're coming up to the 55 EMA. We've already done 240 pips today, which is 2.5 times the average daily range. So it's Friday afternoon. It's been a good trade, a 1 to 2.5 reward already if we just close it as it is. Folks ask me how you partially close a trade. You right click on it and you go to close. Make sure you don't have one click trading set up. If you're going to take off 80%, then in this case I've used a full lot, 0.8. I am going to close. That is it. That is the profit banked from there. I am now going to move the stop on the balance to here, so just below the whole number, just below the 61.8 fib. So I'm giving it some room to breathe. And now, because I'm going to give it some room to breathe, I'm going to move my target up here. So let's have a go and see if we could catch a big one. But once again, spookily accurate entry for multiple reasons, planned 2 weeks ago and almost to the pip entry. Please like and share this video, and if you haven't done already, subscribe to our channel.